This evening, Houston police are confirming skeletal remains found by a construction crew are in fact human remains. This happened on Little York Road on the city's northeast side. Jalissa Garza joins us live from the area with more details. Jalissa, what are you learning?
Well, Mia, those remains were found by a worker about 30 to 50 yards away from where construction has been taking place throughout the day. Now, HPD did send those remains off for more testing to be sure. And again, a short time ago, they've confirmed they are human remains. So here's what we know. We're told officers were dispatched this morning after a worker alerted them about skeletal remains found. We're told the worker noticed what appeared to be animal bones.
He found a deer antler, which isn't too uncommon up here in more wooded areas of Houston, and wanted to find more and just happened to stumble upon the remains.
Detectives tell me they spent about 5 hours searching a pretty wide area in the woods. They say the remains were scattered. We did speak off camera to one worker who tells me it's common for a lot of them to find shade and relief from the heat in the wooded area when working out here, but he never expected someone would see what they did today. Now, HPD says they're still working to identify the age, the gender, and the cause of death of the person who died. Of course, we're working to learn that information as well. For now, live in Northeast Houston, Jalissa Garza, KHOU 11 News.
Longtime Harris County